The power of feedback. Fuel for your English learning journey. Hello, English learners around the world. Today, we're diving into an incredibly valuable aspect of your learning journey: feedback. Specifically, we're going to explore the role of feedback in personal growth and how it can accelerate your progress in English. Buckle up and let's get started. What is feedback? At its core, feedback is about communication. It's information given to us about how we're doing in our efforts to reach a goal. When learning English, feedback can come from various sources like your instructors, peers, and even from self-reflection. It's like a mirror that shows you where you stand, highlighting both your strengths and areas for improvement. You might ask, why is feedback so crucial? Well, feedback plays an indispensable role in personal growth. It helps us to identify gaps in our understanding, monitor progress, and guide future learning. Imagine practicing a new vocabulary or a grammar rule without feedback. You wouldn't know if you're using them correctly, would you? Feedback acts as a compass, guiding you towards the right path in your learning journey. It's the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. While receiving feedback is important, what's even more vital is how we use it. Here are some steps you can follow. 1. Listen carefully. Always pay attention to the feedback you receive, whether it's praise or constructive criticism. 2. Reflect on the feedback. Think about what the feedback means and how it relates to your skills and knowledge. 3. Plan and act. Use this reflection to create a plan for improvement. Then, put that plan into action. 4. Follow up. After implementing the changes, seek feedback again to see if your performance has improved. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes and receive criticism. What matters is learning and growing from those experiences. That's it for today, friends. We hope that you now understand the invaluable role of feedback in personal growth. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it guide your English learning journey. Until next time, keep practicing, keep improving, and keep seeking feedback. Happy learning!